One of the worst mistakes in the world of business is assuming that you know what the market wants, what the market needs, and what the market is willing to pay for. In fact, making assumptions without testing can mean that you're not even in the right market at all. All of this can be very frustrating, and you will certainly lose a lot of time and money working on the wrong things. Creating and launching the minimal viable product, the MVP, is how you get a basic version of the product to your early customers, get great feedback, and avoid wasting development on unnecessary or unwanted features. Essentially, what you want is to make a good first impression in the market. You're creating the best first version of your product that will attract the most amount of early adopters and create a sense of momentum to ultimately give you the best chance for success. But really spend time on deciding about the mission-critical features and the easy win features, because anything else really shouldn't make the cut to be included. There are 4 main elements that your MVP must have. The first is functionality, making sure that the set of features deliver clear value to the user and solve an obvious problem. The second is design, which must be up to the highest industry standard and must be visually and technically attractive. The third is reliability, where the standard of quality needs to be achieved by rigorous testing so that the app performs well all the time. And the fourth is usability. The MVP must be easy to use and intuitive so that your user experience is great right from the start. And then it's super important to collect the information diligently and use this feedback to challenge your earlier assumptions. Discard bad ideas, uncover innovative features, and do some fine-tuning before the big market launch.